In this video, I'll be showing you the best Black Ops 6 Aim Assist settings. Start by opening the settings, then go down and select Controller. Switch to the Aiming tab, then go down to the Target Aim Assist option. Turn on Target Aim Assist. Go down and set Motion Sensor Behavior to off. Go back up and select the Aiming Advanced settings. Set ADS Sensitivity Transition Timing to Instant. Then set Aim Response Curve Type to Dynamic. Click the Show More button, then make sure the Aim Response Curve Slope scale is set to 1.00. Turn off Custom Sensitivity per Zoom, then go back. Switch to the Controller tab at the top. Scroll down and find the Dead Zone Inputs option, then select Show More. Set Left Stick Min to 0 and Left Stick Max to 99. Set Right Stick Min to 3 or 4. If you still have stick drift, then increase it slightly. Set Right Stick Max to 99, then set both the left and right trigger settings to 0. Go to the side and switch to the graphic settings. Then head up to the top and select the View tab. Turn off Motion Reduction, then set Field of View between 100 and 120. If you feel like your aim assist is weak, then reduce the FOV. I typically like to use 110 or 115. Set ADS Field of View to Affected and Weapon Field of View to Wide or Narrow. Go down to the camera settings and set both camera movement options to Least. Close the settings and you will now have the best aim assist settings in Black Ops 6. Consider leaving a like if you found the video helpful.